Yeah?
Welcome to the Philippines.
Oh, so cool. We got Kurt. Oh, I got the whole gang going nuts. Here we go. Awesome. Thanks, Jay. So, what is that?
Blood. Some type of congealed blood pudding.
All
Not
right.
exactly sure.
They gave it to us for free just so we would try it.
Tastes like beef.
It tastes like beef.
Yeah.
All right,
Feels
man.
like beef.
Wicked. Next up, we have some chicken intestines.
That's chicken intestine.
Nice. Kurt's first time. No, right? I know. I felt the same way.
Not having it, brother.
Okay, I gotta do it too. I think we'll bring this back for everybody, eh? Okay.
That's why I got the Gatorade. The
Yeah.
blood was better than the intestine was.
I'm not a fan. So, yeah, they gave us the intestines for 20 pesos, and then the blood for free.
Blood's free.
I remember it tasted better last time. Here's the street gang. Look at this. Oh yeah. You like that? Yeah, right on. Oh, get some more in the gang. Hello.
My first blood.
You're gonna be on the vlog, so you're gonna be on YouTube now. Yeah. Are you shy for YouTube? Too shy?
Yeah.
These guys. Yeah, you like that, eh? Okay, see you later, man.
No.
Some balut. Oh, look at that.
That's yummy.
Hey?
Yeah, yummy.
I tried last time.
Oh,
The wife
Oh, look
saying.
at that.
it's good.
Should we give him more?
Yeah, the wife saying we should give him more.
Like how much more?
Another 500.
Oh, okay, I can do that, yeah. You like that? Hey, you got it? It's okay. You can try it. But you gotta put it this way. Put it this way. Facing you. There. What do you think? Oh! Yeah, you got to talk to the camera.
Say hi.
Say hi. Oh, no, this way, right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, video. Gonna be in the video? Hello. You'll be on YouTube.
Wow, YouTube.
Yeah, you'll be on YouTube now. So I got invited into this home. We're drinking Red Horse. Red Horse is the best.
Kampai.
Kampai!
Bye.
Awesome. Yeah.
It's recording right
It's recording right now, but I can edit it after.
now? Okay.
But it'd be like, yeah, all my friends are asleep. Most of them got stomach aches too, which sucks. I wish they were here, but good friends,
Yeah.
new friends in the Philippines. And yeah, we're having beers. Come by. So,
Hi, we are the new friends of Dustin here in the Philippines. So
come by.
Kampai.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is Jade. So I will introduce them. This is Jade. So this is Nike. Say hi, Nike.
Hi.
So my name is Nelly. So this is Charlie.
Hi.
Yeah, we're the new friends of Dustin here in the Philippines. So I wish you
Awesome.
will come or you will
Yeah.
visit Philippines
See you
too.
soon.
Yeah,
Next
see you soon.
year.
Next year, next February. So we'll put this in the video, and everybody. Yeah,
So
don't
this
forget
is Kevin.
Kevin. Kevin's moving to Kansas soon. That's
This
cool.
is Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Yeah.
Rebecca, walang takot sa
I want your
dilim.
GoPro.
It's the GoPro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want.
We will be on his vlog.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
So once I make it, I'll send you a message, and then you can share it with everyone.
Okay.
Well, if you subscribed, you can see it, right?
I've subscribed already.
Cool, awesome. So this is the best stuff. I love the stuff with people, with new people. So
We will miss Dustin.
Nice to meet you.
awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. Well, I'm gonna turn it off so I keep spending time with everybody. And yeah, till next time.